Hello everyone. So today we will create a spinning loading animations. So we will just create one div, and after that we will create animations like a spinning animations, we can say. Okay. So let's start it. Let's create a class for that. Okay. We just copy that, and we will create display flags. So my loading should be on the center, so for that I'm creating a display flags for that, and I will add a justify contain. Okay, yep, justify content center. Afterwards align items center, then we will having a minimum height for that, like 100 vertical height. Then we will have margin 0, and we will just hide overflow hidden, we can say. Okay. So this is what we had created, and one more thing we will add, like a background color. So we will just add the background color. We will add like a 1515. So this is like black and gray mixtures, we can say. Okay, and we will add that, and position absolute. We will just first of all we will do a position relative for that, for a whole class, and we will decide a length for that. Okay, so we will have a length of 100, we can say. Okay, and width will be 100 pixel, and we will have the border radius. So we will go with the border radius 100%. Okay, so whatever the spinning will be looking like, so it will be on 100 pixel, and it will be a round for that. Okay, so let's create for a before and after. So let's create a before, and second is for after. We will add and the before and after will be absolute. Okay, so we will add the position absolute for that. So like a position absolute, and I'll just give of that border radius. So like a border radius should be inherit for that. So whatever my parent component is, so it will take 100 pixels, 100%, we can say. Okay, so this is what, let's format that. Okay, so now we will do for a before first. So how it look like, so we will do for a before, and my height and width will be 100%. so let's add 100% for both, and let's add some background image for that, and background image will be a linear gradient, so we will use a linear gradient here. Okay, and we will have some blue color and white color mixture of a blue and white color, we can say. So we will have first of all the degree, then we will have a white color first. We will add some white color in that, like a sort of white color, not a white color but sort of white color. Okay, and the second color will be a little bit black in that, so we will add some black in that. Yeah, so it will look like this. So you can see this is a round shape, right? Okay, and okay, that's great for after. After is for like I do not want middle, this one, like I need a spinner like a border, right? So we will go with the border. So I will add after for that. So after is will be a similar of my before we can see. So I will add a little bit smaller from a parent one we can say, before, from a before we can say, not a parent, from a before. So we'll go give with 85%, so it will be coming up from here. Okay, and we will add the background color for that. So we will have look like, let's see how it's look like if we give this background color. So you can see it's like moon. We do not want the moon, but it seems like moon, right? So let's put it on center. So top 50% and the left 50%. Okay, and we will give a transform for that. So we will have the transform, and in that we will have a translate. We will have two values in that, x and y we can say. So for that, minus 500 minus 50% and the minus 50%. So it will be on the center of my spinner we can say. So you can see this is look like this. Okay, so this is what the spinner will look like, and how we will spin this one. So my spinner will look spinner will be going on the clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever you want to create. So for animations you know what to do. So we will have a keyframe here. Okay, so we will add a keyframe, and for keyframe we will give a name, animation name as an spin we can say, because we want as a spin we can say. And in that we want to find as we will go with the transform. Okay, and a transform, and we will just rotate that as an 360 degrees. So my spin will be moving as a 360 degrees every time, like this, for example, clockwise we can say. And this spin I will give to a before, because we have that linear gradient like a blue and little bit black color, right, and the white color in that. So the before should move we can say. So we will add to that. So let's give that like a name, then 0.5 seconds. Okay, then we will go with the linear. So you can see it will move inside. So you can see it will move, but I need for infinite time, so we can go with this. So you can see it will move. You can see it is best. Yeah, so this is what output is, like spinning loading animations we can see, right? So this is, so my before is moving continuously as an 360 degree you can say. So my linear gradient is moving to 0 to 100 we can say. So it will move clockwise every time. So it look like my spinner is moving we can say. Okay, so this is what we achieved today. Let's add one more thing. I will add my profile here. So it means like why I'm adding my profile, you need to follow my channel if you are new. So subscribe my channel, and if you are already, so just hit on like button. And if you have any doubts, so you can put comment in this video, and definitely I will add this link in the descriptions, and you will find all the social media links here, so you can follow me all the social media. So I'm posting every time we can say, so you will get the updates in all the social medias. Okay, so see you in next video.